The City of Cincinnati and Hamilton County are leading the effort to replace the Western Hills Viaduct with the help of an experienced team of construction professionals. The viaduct connects to Interstate 75, linking Cincinnati's densely populated west side and the city's newest urban park to the Uptown District, home to world-renowned hospitals and universities. Built in the early 1930s, the Western Hills Viaduct is reaching the end of its useful life. Its replacement will be located 50 feet south of the current viaduct, extending a half-mile over a tributary of the Ohio River and a large active railroad yard with 32 tracks. The new bridge will be an extra-dose design. This design combines elements of a cable stay and a steel girder bridge with several towers. The bridge will have one deck and 8 lanes and include a protected multi-purpose hike and bike path on the south side and a sidewalk on the north side. Construction of the new bridge is expected to begin in 2025 and take an estimated 5 years to complete. Preparation for construction is underway. This includes demolition of several buildings in the footprint of the new bridge and relocation of an electric utility substation, a transmission line, and other utilities. As part of the preparation, the project team will continue to coordinate with the railroads while finalizing detailed designs for the new bridge. The joint venture of Walsh Group and Kickoff Construction Company will build the new bridge. The existing viaduct will remain in place and continue to carry traffic until the new bridge is completed. The new bridge will be a distinctive landmark for Cincinnati and will serve the public for generations to come.